In this video, we are going to learn about a very simple yet effective solar inverter circuit that uses the IC4093. You will see how a small setup combining a solar panel, a battery, and an inverter can easily supply 220 volts AC power during the day and also store energy for use after sunset. Let us go step by step and understand how this circuit works. So, referring to the circuit diagram, we can see three main units: a solar panel, a solar regulator circuit, and an inverter. The solar regulator works like a smart distributor. It takes the raw power from the solar panel, regulates it properly, and then shares it between the inverter and the battery. Let us assume our solar panel is rated at 36 volts and can deliver around 10 amps. The inverter we select will have an input requirement of about 24 volts at 6 amps, which means it can deliver around 120 watts of output power. Out of the 10 amps available from the solar panel, around 6 amps will go to the inverter, and about 3 amps will be used to charge the battery. The remaining 1 amp is left unused, just to maintain system efficiency and prevent overload. We also assume that the solar panel is mounted on a solar tracker. This helps it to stay aligned with the sun throughout the day, so it can always deliver the best possible voltage and current. The 36-volt input from the panel is first passed through a voltage regulator circuit, which trims it down to 24 volts, suitable for running the inverter. This way, even when the sunlight intensity varies, the inverter still receives a steady and safe voltage level. The load connected to the inverter output must be selected carefully so that it never draws more than 6 amps from the solar panel. The remaining power from the panel, around 2 to 3 amps, is supplied to the battery for charging. This battery will then be used later, after sunset, to continue powering small appliances through the same inverter. This arrangement ensures that the whole system runs efficiently during the day and stays ready to supply power at night. Now, if we want to charge higher capacity batteries, say from 100 Ah to even 250 Ah, we can easily upgrade the charger section. For example, instead of using the LM338 regulator IC, we can use LM196, which can handle up to 10 amps of charging current. Next, let us see how we can make the inverter's output more stable using PWM, that is, pulse width modulation. This feature helps maintain a fixed output voltage of 220 volts or 120 volts AC, regardless of input fluctuations. In the modified design, one of the gates of the IC4093, let us say N1, works as an oscillator producing a frequency of 50 or 60 Hz. By adding a few diodes and a potentiometer, we can vary the duty cycle of this oscillator. Adjusting this potentiometer changes how long the MOSFETs stay on and off during each cycle. This, in turn, changes the current flowing through the transformer, which directly adjusts the RMS voltage at the inverter output. Once you fix the output voltage, the inverter maintains it constant, even when the solar voltage changes during the day, up until the voltage drops below the transformer's minimum operating level. So, friends, that is how a simple solar inverter circuit using IC4093 can be built, upgraded, and improved for stable and efficient operation. It's a great project for anyone who wants to explore practical solar electronics with minimal components. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting circuit tutorials.